It's time for me to set up the week of February 9th in my weekly passion planner. If that sounds interesting, keep watching. Hello and welcome to another setup video in my weekly passion planner. My name is Tammy and I am so glad that you joined me today. I am showing you now some of the things I'm going to be using in this setup. I pulled some washi tape out of my stash and I created some stickers using Canva and cut them with Cricut. I'm going to start with this monthly header that says February on it and just cover up the pre-printed February on the page. Next, I'm going to place some deco stickers down at the bottom. Unfortunately, while I was decorating my spread, I was unaware that my camera was not picking up any of it. So I have shown you what I've got so far, and we'll just continue from here. I like to put some deco stickers down here at the bottom in the space of infinite possibility area. I also put down some washi tape, and I'm just going for a really pretty scrapbook feel today. I am all about the vintage vibes and the muted colors. I just feel like it is going to look so pretty. So how are you doing? How has your planner lineup been shaping out this year so far? Have you changed things up, or do you feel like you have finally found planner peace? I know I have been watching a lot of YouTube videos and definitely getting tempted by a lot of the shiny things I see, but this particular planner, I really do like this, and I'm having a lot of fun decorating it. I'm also having fun filling it out each week as well. I'm using my passion planner as a memory keeper. I find it interesting to think about what do I want to remember about this day. And that's what I write down. And it can be anything from small mundane things to really big things that I probably won't forget. But I still want to write them down somewhere. I also try hard to keep it as positive as I can so that when I pull this book out to read it, or if one of my loved ones was to read it down the line, it wouldn't be something that would be angry to read or triggering in any way. Now, having said that, there are some things that make me angry, and I may record some of those emotions in here. Just depends on what exactly it is. I don't want to record little complaints about things throughout the day. Bigger things I may write. Hopefully you understand where I'm coming from. Anyhow, I got all of my washi tape on my hourly timelines. So the Passion Planner is an hourly planner, but you don't have to use it that way. I am covering them up. You don't even have to cover them up. You can simply ignore them, but I choose to cover them up. I use this 5mm washi tape, and I start to put the washi tape down first. Then I can put my deco stickers down, or any box stickers that I may use. So that's what I'm doing now, is I'm decorating it. Honestly, every planner should have a banjo playing cat in it. And if yours doesn't, I highly recommend that you put one in. I'm just joking, honestly, but I do love that cat. It reminds me of a storybook I used to read to my firstborn son, Matthew, when he was little. We would read it every day. He loved that book, and I think it was called The Cat Who Loved to Sing. And it's about this cat who played the mandolin, and kept trading things. Anyways, I digress. So I am loving these sweet romantic vintage vibes I have going in these pages. This is so my style. I love this. I love these colors. I love the mood that this makes me. It's just everything. I love it. I just love it. So now I'm putting down some ripped paper stickers, and I have a bit of a map there as well. I'm kind of just putting things down, honestly. I leave plenty of space for writing. You can be a decorative planner and leave plenty of space for functionality. I do like to use my planners functionally as well. I like them to look cute. I do enjoy using stickers, but yes, I do like it to be functional as well. Now I'm just going to go ahead and place down some box stickers randomly. I find something to write in these boxes every day, and a lot of the time I do like to record the weather in these boxes. Sometimes it might just be something else, like maybe if I have an appointment or something, but typically it's something I didn't even expect to write in it. For the longest time, I had a hard time using my box stickers because I thought I had to have something important to write down in them, and I completely got over that. Now I just go ahead and randomly place them down and just fill in something. I'm sure I'll find something to put there. So don't hoard all your stickers. Use them. Don't do what I did. I would hoard stickers thinking I had to use them in just the right way. Now, having said that, I do still have plenty of stickers in my stash, more than I care to admit, honestly. But I'm trying to open my mind to using them and not stash them away or hoard them. Yes, I have got my date sticker book from Hobby Lobby, and that's where I got my Valentine's Day sticker. So I just pull in different stickers. My box stickers, I don't know if I mentioned, are from the Happy Planner. I think it's colorful boxes. And random washies from different places. I think there's some from Amazon and some from, I think I have some from the Happy Planner, but I can't really remember at the moment. I know when you see that particular sticker book, it's from the Hobby Lobby. So that's where I usually get my days of the week headers. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and put down some finishing touches here. And there you go. That's the final spread. I love the way this turned out. I love those butterflies. I love the ripped paper. And of course, I loved the banjo playing cat. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And if you haven't yet, I hope you would consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.